In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change table color in LibreOffice. We'll walk through the process of changing the appearance of a table by adjusting either the cell background color or the border color. This is a simple way to make your tables easier to read, highlight important information, or just give your document a cleaner, more polished look. To get started, open LibreOffice and go to the document that contains the table you want to edit. Once your table is visible on screen, the first thing you need to do is select the area you want to modify. You can do this in a couple of ways depending on what you need. If you want to change just one cell, simply click inside that cell. If you want to update multiple cells, use your mouse to click and drag across the specific rows, columns, or cells you want to change. Make sure the correct area is highlighted before moving on, because the color changes will apply only to the selected section of the table. With a cell or group of cells selected, look toward the bottom of your screen. LibreOffice shows table formatting options there, and this is where you can adjust the color settings for your selected cells. If you want to change the background color, find the table cell background color drop-down field. Click it to open the available color choices, then select the color you want to use as the fill for the highlighted cells. As soon as you choose a color, the selected area of the table will update, letting you see the result right away. This is especially useful for shading headers, separating sections, or drawing attention to key data. If instead you want to change the border color, use the border color drop-down field. Click that menu and choose the color you want. Once selected, the borders around the highlighted cells will change to that color. This can help define sections more clearly or give your table a more customized visual style. As you work, it's a good idea to keep your selection focused so you only update the exact cells you intend to modify. If the result doesn't look the way you expected, you can simply reselect the cells and choose a different color. And that's it. That's how to change table color in LibreOffice, whether you want to update the cell background or the borders.